kumanya Ibere Isano nema kusoma tariri ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke. Burabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibi ya wanje tia Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero au ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia. Egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas sama no guchingira ku mwaka muya idubwego kinemero yetu au inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network Ekeonga kiama mogusi.
Getembe Technical Training Institute nigo ekurwa amegeri jechikosi au bunabono building and construction kusobwagachi abwasaba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ekinyumba naboigo ebiwanda au kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gose obosoni bw'ekyanga n'ebintu au abu ase bali na mbeyemo asogotwara machine echekerero nebinde binge nkwegeli bale amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeli bale igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata chi computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegeli ICT gwetania skuru ndeyonse era sorgongoro iga
asamali tankuruko alpato maliba mwalimu manne Getembe Technical Training Institute. Serikali yakolire bya sana asogotwa institute ni wecha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cyobufundi nabo boliri moleta abana weche skuru linde banyore system cyobufundi biyamo
boigon kwegelia bale electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegelia igoriye chinguru cyomorero bwestima na kubeka chinguru echo ase emeche neche company au secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya artsan use short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitirine wizarega megeria yega nabo ondebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate numumurore usino mweseke. Getembe Technical Training Institute niki kutoka kilomita moyoka kurosomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakure konge kogenda chebera
inche Kennedy Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Getembe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretro mwana Getembe security gere guarantee. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments togoson. Na yonyolire koleto mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Getembe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Chitariki na mirongo ebere na yemo omutinyi n'omutang'ani omwaka noyo gwechirubire mirongo ebere na etano nomo moncho murigererinde n'okwegena mbuyore andonsia sore nagokwanire abaigo gokwarigani konyora mang'ana mayasi Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono moso retirana Cyrus Nyakundi tokobwatirana nere fanisa nyabuke asense meli yebimenyero nagosabire toskare. Gochaka nigo togochaka kihima rituko ria rero igo omujumbe ogitutu chache South Muske Anthony Kibagendi aikigwe bosi bwekigambero kia narko Kibagendi nigakagire asorire komutikira chingoma aboigo omusacho yomo hegekoro kia bwatitigwe chi kamera ase omumbaganio yomo ime yomochi okisi. Go konyoli omancho omurigereria nigo boigo Kibagendi abakagotigwa asugwa kane kashpire ekishiringi chirubu hemeyemo heyarenge kurengana no gusaba kurwa sabo wa kiribaye bakorawa no museneta we county ya Nyamira omuske Ekeonga omugeni.
We will announce to the people of Kitutu Church South, the people of Kisii and Kenyans of goodwill that we have secured the release of cash bail of Honorable Anthony Kibagendi, member for Kitutu Church South, after a dramatic night. We have seen abuse of power by the state. Mheshimiwa was arrested by a contingent of 6 vehicles, enough vehicles to take relief food to people who are suffering in many parts of the country. Taken around in Nairobi, driven to Kisii, driven to Nyamira, and finally he spent his night at Keroka police station. Just the way the repressive regime of President Moi used to behave. We expected Mheshimiwa to be charged in Kisii courts, but again we woke up to more drama. We were told Mheshimiwa was rushed to Narok because the state was doing what we call forum shopping. They thought that if they come to Narok, they will be able to influence the courts. But we are happy to announce that the judiciary has demonstrated that it is independent and that it will not bend to the whims of the state. And we want to thank the Honorable Magistrate who has ordered that Mheshimiwa be released on a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. We want to tell Kenyans that we are very, very quickly reversing the gains that we have made under the 2010 Constitution. Honorable Kibagendi was out on cash bail granted by the High Court of the Republic of Kenya. But the office of DCI, office of DPP, even the CS, who is a lawyer, Honorable Murkomen, did not want to respect that court order. That's why they brought Mheshimiwa all the way from Nairobi, held him overnight to charge him this morning. But we are happy that justice has been done this morning. And I'm going to sleep soundly, knowing that in the Republic of Kenya, the winds of justice can flow like mighty river. So we are happy, and we maintain that this is political harassment because Honorable Kibagenge has been in the forefront, fighting for justice, condemning corruption in this country, and we urge the DPP to spend more energy in looking for those who have stolen.
Go tikana na yumoncho mo ligerelia nigo homura ivenso muske William Ruto emambia yelitukula lero habaga kora omoroberu bokwena no gwebiegwa ase nyumba yobra ya State House ime ya Nairobi kukwana chingeki cho Ruto nigo hene kibuna abasaya nigo babwatiri bagali giya lyokoleta monchiria haigeme yensi ya Kenya.
Absolute confidence in the extraordinary potential of the young people of our nation. I am confident that our youth possess the capability, the energy, the talent, and the resolve to turn our grand ambition into reality. As I have said before, and I say it again today, with conviction, Kenya's youth rank among the very best in the world in terms of our human capital development. You have the skills, you have the aptitude, the competence, and the expertise to excel wherever duty calls, whether here at home or in the global stage. It is for this reason that I am especially pleased to welcome you to this year's Gold Award presentation under the President's Award Kenya. As patron, I am deeply honored to stand with you to celebrate the extraordinary milestones in the lives of these young men and women, the recipients of the Gold Award. I am asking the CS responsible that in the coming budget, we double the budget for this agency so that they can extend this most consequential training and reach out of our young people into more schools and more institutions. And thirdly, I am informed that there is need for additional human resource to work in this agency so that they can provide additional capacity for them to reach and expand the impact of this agency. Do not allow yourselves to be consumed by the pessimism that afflicts some voices in our public life. Optimistic people see opportunity in every challenge, while pessimists see only obstacles in every opportunity. Kenya's future belongs to those who choose hope, effort, and purpose. Congratulations to all the gold awardees and life members of the award holders' alumni. May you continue to shine brightly, and may your light illuminate the path for many others.
Umurobiri woko wa unenki habana chibina haubara chiegoswa sekigambiro gya kotovapire igoswa lichukulio mwelirero n'umurobiri obeire gukurawa n'umuna chibina munene mathakome abo babeire bagwikirana bosibye kamatiyo igo balireira yogo cha kwene kibunango kora bare omuchando bwo gwikirana kwebina ogwo kwabeire hekego chekinene hase bigambiro binge aigeme yensi ya Kenya.
What are the skills that you're bringing to the Court of Appeal if you are to be successful? Particularly, we want to know your skills in terms of work ethics, and how you will help the court to reduce the backlog of cases.
To start a docket system of case management. At Milimani, I noted that the files were at large. The judges, no one judge could take responsibility for any matter. So the matters come, today it is before this judge, tomorrow it is before another judge. So they were actually at large. So I thought about it and say that was not the best way to manage a court. It was important that each judge takes a responsibility for his or her files. Because there was also another problem. The problem was that a judge would take a matter, issue some orders, then they don't take responsibility for those orders, because the file would be taken to another judge altogether to deal with. And before that other judge, people will come with all sorts of complaints about the order. So I thought that every judge in a multi-judge station should be responsible, should be accountable, and should pull their weight. So even before the e-filing system came into being, I had actually started the docket system, and I was actually allocating files every day to each judge, so that each judge takes responsibility for their matters from the time of filing to the end. And their matters will only be handled in case they are on leave, then another judge will handle it and then transfer it. We moved this thing called duty judge, right? The system I found in place is that a judge would be on duty, then on that day, that one particular judge, you'll find they have 20, like in Milimani at the time, one judge, 20 certificates of urgency. When another week, another judge is on duty, you will find one or two matters. Meaning there was actually forum shopping among the litigants. They check a favorable judge.
Omunene wa waziri hoyigoigore homo waziri wa mangana ye Chinsa chisiko musare mudavade nigo hatogiriwa matuku ya wense ya Kenya monense ya chamani ukwana chinga kemirana no waziri wa mangana ye Chinsa chisiko kurwa sense ya chamani ase homo chio Nairobi Johana Wedefulu mudavade nigo atebiruna chamani nigo yabirege kuropa konyi howogendete gusira chi sector haigeme yense.
Kenya greatly appreciates the fact that Germany was among the first countries to recognize our country's independence. We highly value the long-standing diplomatic relations between the two countries, which have continued to strengthen since 1963. Germany is Kenya's fifth largest development partner, with commitments totaling approximately 2.5 billion euro, that is cumulatively, including the more recent one of 153 million euro for climate action, renewable energy, and sustainable agriculture for the period 2022 to 2024. Additionally, KfW and GIZ are supporting key initiatives in Kenya, such as a portfolio of 400 million euros for clean energy initiatives. Presently, over 120 German companies operate in Kenya. Furthermore, in 2024, we executed the comprehensive migration and mobility partnership between our two countries, and this seeks to improve skills development and facilitate structured labor mobility. On behalf of the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation, BMZ, and GIZ is driving the promotion for youth employment and vocational training programs in Kenya. This is in close partnership with the Ministry of Education, the State Department of Technical and Vocational Education and Training, and of course, the Diaspora Department. The program has also successfully launched the dual TVET system and already opened the doors to skills training for over 10,000.
And the last 5 bus drivers which arrived there, very skilled ones, were Kenyans. So everybody appreciated that they arrived. They are doing the job very diligently and very good. Earlier with that very case, but as far as I heard, these nearly 200 people returned already to Germany, so that was managed. And of course, the migration issue is one of the core issues we have to really cover both of our sides. So we are on a very close.
Na gwikira gabo homancho homolkiria no gwikira homerio bwa magia Ekeonga Chinsa Isano nebire kurende chikuraga Chinsa ikomi ingira nenkomanya senchira yo wengelitira ne Cyrus Nyakundi ase twabire tokubateranere fanise nyabuke asense meli yebimanyiriro agusabira utwaro bolgero borobya asomoro belyo kubwatia vibes on vibes na Wiza Crown na DJ Creeper.